Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I will show you how you can download and install Cydia on iOS 15. This is the only way to jailbreak iOS 15 that just been released today, 20 September. I will show you step by step what you need to do to jailbreak iOS 15 and enjoy the unlimited free cracked apps and tweaks. First, you can see that I have the latest iOS 15 on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. We can go to settings, general and software update, so you can see that I run the latest iOS 15 that I just installed. You can even see the new maps that they have been introduced with the new iOS 15, that they are pretty amazing, and you can see the screen, it's really smooth. So guys, if you don't have iOS 15, you can go to settings and general and software update, and you can install iOS 15 directly. After you install iOS 15, you just need to have 10% battery and you need to be connected over Wi-Fi or mobile data to internet. So if you're ready, it's really simple what you need to do. First, let's open of course the Cydia, so you can see that I have installed it on my iPhone 12 Pro Max and it's working without any problems. You can go to sources, you can click add and you can click any new source repo that you wish. You can go to the install it. You can see I have installed some apps to see if it's working, and it's working without any problems, guys. So now that you know that I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 15 and I have already installed Cydia, I will show you exactly what I did, and you just need to follow me and you need to do exactly the same steps. You need to go to your Safari browser and you need to go to the injectserver.com. This is the only website that you can directly install Cydia without any third-party app. So if you go at the future apps, you will find Cydia, but if you don't see it, go to the search box and write Cydia, click done, and here it is. You click on it and you can read about it. Cydia gives you full freedom of your iDevice. Install Cydia and get cracked apps and tweaks for free on iOS 15 has been updated. If your device is compatible, it will write it with blue letters. So you just click install. As I said, it works with any iDevice that runs the latest iOS 15. Even if you have an iPad or iPhone, it's the same. You can install Cydia directly without any problems. Now we are just waiting, guys. And I will tell you exactly what you need to do next to download and install Cydia. So as you know, Apple doesn't want you to install Cydia because you will find unlimited free apps and some amazing tweaks. So what this new team did was they put some apps on the App Store. So while you're downloading the apps, the Cydia will be installed in the background. But you need to be careful because every app is different. So you need to complete 2 apps. So this one, it says that you need to download and install it and run it for 30 seconds. This is really simple and I have already downloaded, okay? So you open the game and you run it for 30 seconds. So you need to click allow. And if it says that you need to track, they need to track the app, you click allow. This is very important so the Cydia can start downloading in the background. So this one, and later you find another another app. Okay, we're just waiting for the game to open. Sorry about that. So as I said, you need to complete 2 apps, okay? But every app has different instruction. So this one, it says that you need to run it for 30 seconds and it's stuck from what I see because I have it already. Let me put my password. Okay, let me just close it one more time. Let's go back. Let's find another. So you just need, I have download and this. So here it is. It says what you need to do, okay? So after you complete these 2 apps by doing exactly what they want, you need to read down. When you complete 2 apps, Later you will go back and you will have Cydia on your iPhone or iPad on the latest iOS 15. Simple as that, guys. As you can see, Cydia is working on my iPhone 12 Pro Max without any problems. So if you want to download and install Cydia on iOS 15, this is the only way for the moment. So guys, this was a video on how to jailbreak iOS 15 without computer. This is a remote jailbreak and it is the only one it's working, guys. So I show you the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I show you that I have the latest iOS 15, and I show you exactly what you need to do to get Cydia downloaded on your iPhone. So guys, enjoy and go right now and install Cydia on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any problems, please let me know in the comment section, and if you want, I can send you directly the Cydia on your email. But first you need to like, subscribe and comment at the comment section, and I will send you the Cydia without this verification. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and God bless you. Goodbye.